Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you an interesting way to mobilize your whole body that honestly feels kind of amazing. The backstory is my friend Andrew has been talking to me about Stevie Wonder a lot lately, and anyway, there's just something about how Stevie or Ray Charles move that may be linked to their creativity. But anyway, if you move like them, or if you move like a fluid wave, it feels good. And you can adjust many issues in your body. When I say issues, I mean you can open up your joints gently. So I'm gonna quit talking. This is what it looks like. So you guys all know Stevie. You kind of imagine that you're swaying in the wind or like seaweed in the ocean, but you just create waves or do the Stevie Wonder or the Chris Tucker, a gentle Chris Tucker, not a violent Chris Tucker. And you allow your body to follow that serpentine motion. And if you do this first thing in the morning, I mean after you get up of course, you'll find interesting adjustments that happen throughout your spine, your shoulders, your knees, your ankles, even your toes. And if you really want to enjoy this, if you're in a safe environment and your vestibular system is super healthy, as it should be if you've been doing any of these videos, by the way, this makes your vestibular system very healthy as well, you can close your eyes. And you just kind of flow. And you just let your limbs follow the head. Well, your whole body follows the head, really. And you just relax. And you try to stay as relaxed as possible as you do the gentle Chris Tucker or the Stevie Wonder from side to side. So this is very similar to drawing the infinity circles. It's just more, I don't know, chill and much more, there's not nearly as much tension in the body. And again, you don't have to close your eyes. But if you do this, well, it feels amazing. And it feels good to feel good. It feels great to feel amazing. Anyway, give that a shot. Do the Stevie Wonder or be the standing wave and notice what you discover. All right? It is very good for your vestibular system, and honestly, it's good for your whole body. Anyway, that's our tip this week. Do the Stevie Wonder. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.